Hey, Eric Sider here, and in this video I just wanted to do a little update on the reverse roll-away nest boxes. Let you guys know how they're working out so far, and if I'm having any issues or any problems. All right, let's get into it. So I've had these for somewhere around a month, 3 weeks to a month so far, and surprisingly, the chickens took right to them. No issues, which is great. And initially, I put in a little scrap piece of carpet just to give them some kind of nest-like material other than the plastic bottoms, because these aren't really designed to have any kind of nesting material in them. But it kind of got muddy and it basically didn't help keep the eggs clean. So I found these things online, kind of this plasticky fake grass kind of nesting material. You can cut them to size. And they, let any liquids go through. You can hose them down. Pretty easy to keep clean. So I got those in there, and hey, look at that, we got an egg. So I can take this out. There's a bit of debris and stuff. Clean it off, and slide that right back in there. Now it does inhibit the roll-away function a little bit, but I find that if there is an egg in there that hasn't rolled into the compartment and another chicken goes in there, they usually knock it down and it rolls in. Or I just give a little shake on the material and it rolls in, good to collect. Now, another benefit that I forgot to mention on the install video was this whole bottom comes right out. So if you need to clean it off or anything, that's pretty handy right there. Good job. I do have this temporary rain and sun protection. It's just attached to the welded wire, so I'll do a better job of attaching that. But for the most part, it's keeping it dry. And I don't really have any complaints. Obviously, long-term durability is another story, but for the price and for the function, they're working out well. And more importantly, the chickens really like them, so the best nest box in the world is pretty useless if your chickens don't use them. Thankfully, the ladies rocking and rolling, averaging about 6 to 7 eggs per day. Highest so far has been 8, and that's all on a 1/8 pound of commercial feed plus the compost pile and the forage greens. And I'll probably give it maybe another month or so and see if that's the established baseline for their productivity, and then I can play with how much or how more or less of the feed and what it does to their egg production. All right, so if you're in need of permaculture shirts or consultation and design for your property, been able to help a good amount of people so far with just a 30-minute video chat, answer their questions or get them off and running with a good strategy. Links for that will all be below. If you're interested in these plasticky nest pads, I will put a link to these ones specifically, but as far as I can tell, they're all pretty much the same. So if you find one you like better, have at it. All right. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.